We have various scores here, and we have the score out of 100 for each course, and then we have weight percentage. To calculate average, I use just simple average function, and I select the entire score, press enter, you get the average percentage. To get weighted average, we need to multiply each score against the weight percentage. For this, I start with open parenthesis. I take the first score multiplied by the weight percentage, close parenthesis, plus again the second course multiplied by the weight percentage, plus third course multiplied by the weight percentage, plus fourth course multiplied by weight percentage, close parenthesis, close parenthesis. I also need to start with the one more parenthesis here, divided by the sum of all this weightage, close parenthesis, press enter, you get the weighted average. Another method is very simple, again using the sum function, sum product function. So the first argument array, so let's select the entire score, comma, and then weight percentage, close parenthesis, divided by sum of the weight percentage, close parenthesis, press enter, here is the result. Thank you.